Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to yet another real-world web scraping project being covered on the single video, and this time Hamza Heron kindly let me actually use his particular web scraping request as the source of a content for one of my videos on this channel. So, thanks a lot, Hamza. So, I will now try to read what in particular he would like to get actually, and then we'll make this scraper in the live mode, and finally I will send him the code. Well, actually, I guess I'm not sure if he is okay about the code to be available in public. I guess he doesn't mind about this. And also, it's really hard to say whether it's kind of some sort of a web scraping help request or job offer. Well, even though he was talking about like he would like to pay me something, but you know, like when he realizes my price, since he realized that he won't really pay me that money. So I personally consider this project to be more like a charity rather than a real job. But so, you know, like it's a real job from the technical perspective, but I can hardly believe that I would get something in return. Otherwise, other but your views and likes and commentaries below the video. But if I will get some miserable price for this, still this would have been nice. But again, like, I'm not doing this for money. I'm just doing this because the particular source he actually wants to scrape has a really interesting education, has a very interesting points from the educational perspective. So there would be the infinite scroll pages that would be scraping data, extracting data from. So this is gonna be really interesting from the web scraping perspective. So if you're interested in covering this sort of a project, let's actually start. So it was made infinite scroll. Okay. So here is the example of how the code will work. So we got a category link. From categories link goes to the product link. So okay, let's see the category link, then the product link. Okay, so I have no idea why this is so slow. Okay, so here is the list of the products, and then I guess it just goes recursively to some sort of a particular product, and from here he wants to scrape all this available data, and that's kind of it. Okay, so this is pretty clear. The very first kind of email did contain some product name, attributes, categories, image URL, selling prices, description, product link. So yeah, I would bear this in mind as well. And also, when I asked him what particular categories he would like to scrape, he said like he would like to change the links on his own, but there is no much need for that because we can just loop over these links in the loop and just literally scrape the data from all of them. That's it. So he needs like noodles, sauces and frozen foods, bacon and desserts items, bacon ingredients. So, well, this is quite pretty clear, and so also it has a couple of more screenshots. All save all the details in the CSV file, and save all the details in the CSV file. Yeah, okay. So, well, this is just the category. Okay, so I will now just try to bacon ingredients, bacon desserts. Okay, again, I'm not sure what exactly. So bacon desserts, bacon ingredients. So it's the same, right? Yeah, the screenshot shows literally this sort of a page. Okay, perfect. So what else? Okay, that is how I want to scrape the product details from category link. Noodles. Oh, so he just is pointing out the how to get this link, I guess. Well, this doesn't really matter that much, to be honest. Okay, let's go to this Hummart.com. So okay, where are the categories? Okay, so these are the categories, I guess. So okay, noodle sale, sauces and instant food, and then bacon and dessert items, bacon ingredients, that's not here, bacon and dessert items. So it just goes to the different URL. Yeah, this is it, so we don't need that, we just grab the URL, that's kinda it. And then we go for bacon ingredients. This is it basically, so this is just the bare URL, that's kinda it. Okay, but this regards to the very first category, so I'm not really sure which kind of link in particular does he really want to get for all the categories for. So it's also like categories, bacon and desserts. Okay, but hold on a sec, this is just the nested. So this is just the category, and then the subcategory, and then the initial category. So, well, okay. So as far as the only link is being provided, I will try to make the scraper for this one. And okay, so I just need to check out my email. Okay, sorry guys. I just needed to send a payment request to my client. Oh my god, I got something again. What's now? Okay, sorry guys. Okay, that was just the misupdated new letter. Doesn't matter. Okay, so it seems like this kind of link is actually the only one available at this moment in particular. So we would be scraping these guys recursively and try to get some data from there. And so okay, I just want to open up my developer tools. I just want to inspect this infinite scroll. There is no infinite scroll right over here. Oh, come on, this can't be. I saw an infinite scroll here, and without this infinite scroll, it doesn't really make that much sense. It's not the infinite scroll, nope. So, well, I don't mind actually to scrape this guys, but again, as far as this doesn't involve the infinite scroll, it doesn't really make much sense. So maybe I just try to. I'm just wondering, is there a difference? Okay. I just want to refresh my developer tools to avoid showing all this uploading stuff here. So, okay. Oh my god. Okay. I remember I did check this infinite scroll. Probably this is the Ajax call. So, okay, this is it. So, I'm just wondering if so the link should have been different. So here's our response, which is pretty nice, and I just want to have a look at. So, okay. So I'm just wondering. Well, this code is well, that's because it's the GET request. So this is needed just in order to avoid caching the responses, and that only matters for browser. Well, for scrape it doesn't really matter that much. So they should have gave literally the same. Okay. I'm just wondering why it gives these pages this like way. So maybe we can just use the bare pagination without gonna getting bothered. Oh, those JSON responses at all. So I'm just wondering, is this gonna be different? Well, so here we definitely have a JSON response. Yeah, but still, we don't even. So you know, like when I was looking at this site yesterday, I was looking for a way how to parse all this stuff. But you know, like as far as we can just simply crawl through the pages, and that's kind of it. We don't really need to deal with this response ever. And also this code, yeah, it's generated dynamically, so it would be a pain to mimic that, I guess. So let's try one more infinite scroll. One more call here. Okay. So no, this should be. Yeah, it's completely different. So sorry, I did click the wrong. 5934. Yeah, this should be different, otherwise it doesn't really make sense. Yeah, so but still, as far as we can use this pagination, I guess it's not a big deal. The only thing that could matter actually is I'm just wondering how many pages there are available. So just is there, so item count 76. Okay, so this might be interesting in terms of, so I'm just wondering, can we go here again and again? Well, I even think that if we just put whatever here, it still should work, because it's just to avoid caching. No, so this I was wrong, guys, sorry. This doesn't mean that really. Can we see somewhere like the total number of the products? So I'm just trying to figure out the range of pages to crawl here. So let me think. And again, like hold on a sec. So if we just can specify the page this like way, and let's say, okay, let's say I'm just trying to grab the initial link. So what is this image URLs? What is it talking about? Okay, clear. So let's actually try this guy again. So can I say like page equals 2? Just wondering, is it really returning some new data or just the same? Because no infinite scroll seems to be available here, so I'm just wondering. Okay, or maybe I did. Okay, hold on a sec. Maybe I just did some wrong string or parameters or something. Just need to check that out. Okay, let's see this again. And just wondering if okay. Okay. Yeah, so just the string core parameters go just right after the link actually. Okay. But still I can't see really the way of trying to figure out how many what's the number of the total okay, so if you're just trying to compare this responses, so let's try this response and just paste this in. So we got item count 76. Maybe we could make use of this, and let's say this one. It should give the item count 76 as well. Well, at least I hope so. Yes, the same. This is nice. Okay. Category ID. Okay. So it seems like 76 elements. And I'm just wondering how many elements per page is he about to gonna upload there. And it still might be different compared to the initial bulk of products being available on the page when just being loaded. So yeah, it would be nice to store this as HTML, I guess. Okay, so if we just go here like page number 4, without changing the code, it doesn't work, right? It just prints the page. But hold on a sec, again, like if we print this sort of a page, say it's kind of page 4, I'm just wondering, like, we can gonna start with the page number, I don't know, hundreds, and that would gonna upload all the available stuff there. So that's interesting. And also it doesn't seem to have any limitations regarding the page number for some reason, so I'm just wondering. Well, this is quite a bit strange site, to be honest, you know, like it does allow you to probably go beyond the range. Okay, so so hold on a sec. So the data has been changed. Okay. Was the data actually changed? Oh, it seems like literally the same. So maybe if it goes beyond the upper limit, it just keeps giving you the exactly the same set of products. Well, we can make use of that during scraping process actually. So okay, let's again like page number 1. Page number 1. Okay, these guys. Okay, let's try page number 2. Is this gonna be different now? Okay, this is now different. Okay, and then we go to page number 3. So even though it's considered like to be an infinite scroll, if we specify this page parameter, okay, it still can go for. But again, like, so this should be page number 4, starting from this baking soda. Okay, let's try. So page number 4, and I'm supposed to start with the baking soda, like here. That has just appeared. Yeah, we're starting with the baking soda. And So, you know, like, the most time is taken actually not to write the code, but to understand how the site works in particular. So even though it seems like it's an infinite scroll, but we don't even need to take the data from the responses from the AJAX requests actually. So, okay, I'm not sure how many pages kind of available there. So yes, this seems to be like the very last page already. So if we just go page 11, this would be the same, and that's probably the logic how we can distinguish kind of the last page. So if we got the links from these pages, then apparently it should be treated like the very last page, because we're not getting any new links anymore. Okay, so I guess this is pretty enough, and also it seems like we can make use of this logic during scraping actually whatever during scraping whatever category here. So let's go for this noodles, and can I say like page equals to say 5? So it should return something if it does have some infinite scroll inside, but it doesn't seem to have. So yeah, but still this pagination, it seems like it's working. So I would have probably be trying simply to add this pagination, and that would be the way to distinguish if there are any additional data sets available or not. So we would be distinguishing by the availability of the links of a unique products. Okay, so from now on, I think I would start with yeah. Now I'm starting. Guys. I'm just starting now to understand like what did Hamza Harun meant. Well, what did he mean actually? So that like, he kind of wants to be able to replace those strings, those URLs, and get literally the same results. So okay, I will then probably take the initial link he did provide, and I'll try to I'll create the crawler based on this link, and then I will try some other links to handle that pagination logic, or this is infinite scroll from the user perspective, from the client side in the browser, from the server perspective. It's just a bare pagination without much pain there. So I'm not sure if this is actually done for web scraping purposes, to make it kind of more user friendly web scraping. I'm not sure, but doesn't really matter. Okay, so I guess the intro is over now, and I'm going to my scraping tutorials GitHub repo, and I would like to create sorry, it just some insects crawling my laptop. Okay, so new folder. So how is this called actually? Hammart. So Hammart. Okay, and I'm creating the new document. I would like to call this exactly the same, hammer.py. Okay, and also he asked me to so this code would be able, so he wants to be able to run this code within the scraping hub, and I didn't yet try that, believe it or not, ever. So I would probably need to adjust this code slightly bit when I would be sending this code to him. So I also need to research that, but just to follow the guidelines I'm using on this channel. So try to keep it simple, try to keep the one file spider, try to avoid using Scrapy project like Scrapy start project with a Scrapy command, and just trying to run the spider from within the Python script. I would just like to keep this like way. So let's go. So the very first thing to consider, I would actually like to say that this is the script to scrape product details from whatever category on hammer.com. It's just better even like this. Okay, and buy, and I would like to put a little signature here, so by CodeMonkeyKeen. CodeMonkeyKeen is me, for those of you who don't know this yet. Okay, and this is our nice little cute header. So now we need to import some packages, and I would say import Scrapy, and from scrapy.crawler we need to import the crawler process, and this is needed in order to be able to run this spider from within a Python script. Also from scrapy.selector I would like to import selector to be able to debug the data extraction logic from the local HTML copy being stored to the local drive. And now we need to provide actually this hammered spider class, so I will call this class hammered scraper, and it would inherit from the scrapy.spider, which is the base which is the basic crawler class to inherit from. So now we need to provide the scraper or spider, call it however you want, name, and the name would be equal to hammered scraper, just to keep it different from the file name, because if we are not intending to run this as a regular Scrapy project, it doesn't care, it just doesn't matter. We could have just called this hammered and that's it. Otherwise, if we do intend to run this on Scrapy and HelpFound, it might be an issue that it could be an issue that the conflicting names of the spider file name and spider class name, and the name filled within the spider class. So just to make sure that everything is going to be kind of fine there. So now I guess it's time to provide the base URL, and probably this base URL would be exactly the URL that the user would be able to actually copy, so that the user would be able to change on his own, and the scraper should work literally the same every time. So we'll definitely test this, so just bear with me, guys. Okay, so also I would like to provide some custom headers, and not all the headers, but so just headers, not all the headers, but I would like to limit this to the bare user agent. So let me try to get one. Okay, so user agent. Okay, save. Okay, this is it for a while. So now I would also like to provide the main driver, and I would say if name equals to main. In this case, I want to create the I want to run the scraper, right? So in order to do that, first I need to create the process that would be the instance of the crawler process, and then I would say process.crawl, and this hammered scraper as an argument. So I'm using this hammered scraper class as an argument to this crawl method, and finally say like process.start to actually run the spider. Okay, now let's try to open the terminal in the current working directory, and by typing python 3 hammered.py, I would like to see if any typos or something, or it would just fire normally. Yeah, so everything seems to be working just pretty nicely. Okay, so yeah, now we need to, so what do we actually need to do? We need to make a request to this initial URL and then try to extract all the cards. From the cards we need to extract this product listing URL and so on. Okay, so now we will provide the crawler's entry point, and there is a standard method. It's called like def start requests, and it only takes the self instance, and this is known as a crawler's entry point. And this is the standard method for the scrapey spider, the base spider we're inheriting from in our hammer scraper. So here we need to make HTTP request to base URL like this, and I need to say yield scrapey.request, and the URL would be equal self.base URL. And hold on a sec, if we would have any pagination, it would be also have handled right over in here, but yeah, but we're not gonna be doing this within the start request, but within the parse instead. Okay, so this is just to be left as is. So headers would be equal self.headers, so the path I will use a agent alone with the request, and finally the callback function, because you know, like scrapey request logic is based on Twisted Internet Library, which makes use of the asynchronous HTTP request. So let's call this self.parse links, because we would be parsing the product links. And here we can say like parse product links, and our callback method, so def parse links, and here it would take the self instance followed by the response object, save. So I guess the very first thing to consider is just trying to extract all available links from here. So first I would like to inspect the card element, so we'll try to loop over the cards. Okay, so this list item, product item. Okay, so this one, so this is another one. Okay, so I just copy this list item. Okay, so loop over product cards, and I say for card in response.css, and this is the list item, and the class equals to this sort of stuff. And I just want to print a bare string here to try and understand visually first if the response fires, and the second how many kind of cards available there. So okay, you can understand what's wrong here, so it seems like it's being crawled, but probably it can't really. So list item class. So let's search, let's inspect this within the source code, so it might be quite pretty different within the source code. So if it's not, if it doesn't work here on the console, it should work. So I just, the content might be presented, okay, different way, so we don't really see this this sort of product item. But okay, here it seems like we have the list item class item product item like this. So okay, perfect. So it has a slightly different class before being processed by JavaScript or something, I guess. So we can get rid of this part right over in here, and now this should work, I hope. Yeah, so we get some cards, and also, so I just want to define, so extract product URL, so product URL would be equal to card.css, and I'm just wondering this tab index -1, so I guess just the very first A tag should be fine to be looking for within the card, so just say like card, okay, card CSS A tag and the attribute of href, and let's try to print our product URL, save and run, and I will try to check that out. Oh my god, sorry, we need to get this, actually get one, right, for every card. Okay, so now let's try whatever element, and just trying to make sure that this is the product listing, basically. Rushmore chocolate dessert, 900 grams. Yeah, it seems like. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now I would try to inspect the very first element, because this is exactly the one that we would be using in order to scrape the entire data set from. So more information, reviews. Okay, so I just want to reference the card link. Being provided right over in here. Okay, so starting from this more information. Okay, we'll try this. So, okay guys, so before everything else, there are kind of two important parts in this scraper. So the first one would be just to provide the actual data extraction logic, which we would do first, and then I will add the functionality to crawl through multiple pages and try to figure out the proper logic to define where to stop, basically, when no more unique links are available. And I'm just wondering, how on earth can I do this? Maybe I should have appended this product URL to some sort of a list, and yeah, maybe. Okay, so maybe it comes along the way. So the very first thing to consider now is actually to make HTTP request to product link URL, and here I would like to say yield, and here we can use response.follow, because you see, like, here we could have actually used even the scraper request again, because we have the entire base URL plus the particular endpoint, but it's also a good practice to use like response.follow, and here we can specify again, like, the URL would be product URL that we've just extracted, so product URL, and again headers would be equal to self.headers, and this time callback would be equal to self. Well, let's call this parse product, I guess. That's yeah, so parse product. Okay, and also I want to break after the very first iteration to avoid torturing the target site, so here we'll parse product details and dev parse product. Okay, self followed by the response object, again the same, and here the very first thing I would like to store response HTML locally, so I would like to say with open, and let's call this product.html, and I want to write the file stream as file, and f.write response.text. Okay, now run this again. I hope to see this product.html file appearing. right over in here. So we got some HTML, perfect. Now we want to be using this file in order to extract all the available data from there. So we don't need this anymore. I would remove this part of code in the production, but I will leave this just for clarity and for the educational purposes. So now we need to provide the local HTML content variable content. So content would be equal empty string, and now open local HTML file, and I say like with open product.html, I want to read the file stream as file for line in f.read. We're populating our content by line. And finally we need the scrapey selector to be able to actually parse and to be able to parse this local copy. So I call this response just like this response object variable, but this is a difference. So this would be the type of selector, and text equals to content. Now I would like to comment out this crawling logic, so we're not going to be using the crawler anymore during the debug data extraction process. And here I say like debug data extraction logic, and I would say hammered scraper dot parse product, and I'm passing the hammered scraper instance to match this self instance variable, and also I fake the response object with an empty string, so this response is an empty string, so we're initializing our response here, and from now on we can say like response.css just like as it was a regular response context. But first let's actually try to print our response to make sure that it's the selector object. Okay, we got the selector object, perfect. So from now on I guess we can start extracting our features. So extract product details, and I used to call this variable features, so it would be a type of Python dictionary. Also I would like to import import JSON to print these features. Okay, so to print these features. Okay, so I would like to say JSON.dumps and features, and indentation equals to 2 spaces in indentation, right? So let's try again. Okay, so the features are empty at the moment, and now I need the list of all he wants to get scraped. So this is it. Just grab this stuff here and try to paste. So okay. Well, I'm not sure what he means by saying attributes. Well, we'll see. Try to figure this out. So, sale and retail price. Okay, let's keep it just like a price here. Description. Okay, and here. This would be actually, so the product link would be like response.url, but as far as we're outside the response context at the moment, I'll just leave this empty. So let's start by extracting the name, and probably would be a good idea to actually try to open this local copy, so to make sure that we extract exactly the data we have. View folder. Okay, let's just try to open this guy. Okay. So we don't need this for a while. Don't need this. And this is the local copy. Okay, so this is the local copy. So this seems to be like the name. Okay. Data UI DPH style wrapper. Well, I guess we can make use of this. Or item prop name would be better. Yes, Spine item prop name. So name would be equal to response CSS. We're looking for a span tag with the item prop property equals to name, and we want to get one. So let's have a look. Okay, we need to specify the text as well. Okay, bake brown sugar, perfect. So now I have no idea what does he mean by saying attributes. Well, maybe this is considered to be the attributes. I don't know. So image URLs, price description. So do we have any description here? Reviews, more information. Hold on a sec. Maybe maybe there was a description. So maybe we need to forward some data. So bacon ingredients. Yeah, we could have passed some sort of a description from here. No, we don't have any description here. This is interesting. So how on earth? So okay, maybe there is a description in the example provided by the client here. Okay. Well, I can't see any description, to be honest. This seems to be the name, not the description. So this is the quantity, right? But I can't see so all the prices. I have no idea where is the description. It's a bit strange because, like, where is the description? Okay, so let's try. I don't know. Is the description available at least somewhere? So I remember that here I saw like some more tabs. So no. Oh, okay, so details. So this is what's supposed to be the description. So these details, and let me just try to inspect this. Yeah, obviously we don't have this like okay, div class value. Well, you know what? I guess let me just try to save this. Save page source. So yeah, I would like just to save this this kind of response instead. So let me quickly invoke Python here. So rewriting the existing file there. Okay. So now this should be different. Local file. Okay, seems like it works now. Well, at least we'll see. So at least we got our description here within the details. Okay. So just to bear in mind that description won't be available everywhere, so it's just available just from time to time. So here description, I would say response.css and div with the class equals to value and text and get one, and let's see if we get something there. Sorry. Oh my god, what is this? It's definitely not what I wanted to see actually. So let's try to search here. So class equals value. Well, so why this div is not found actually, I'm wondering. This is very strange. Let's try to scrape all the text recursively from this product attribute description. Oh, I see what's wrong there. So we need just to get all instead. And I'm not sure why this disaster is. Where is this coming from? 690. What is that? But we can use kind of the very last element, right? And in this case, yeah, in this case description works nicely. Okay, so let's keep this like wait for a while. So now the prices. Now let's try to go for prices. So all the prices available. Hold on a second, just wondering like RS to hundreds. It's a bit strange price, to be honest. You can see either currency or whatever. So what is this? What does this stand for? So we call this like sale and retail price. Oh, it's RS, probably retail sale. Yeah, this should have been. Yeah, I guess this is retail sale. Okay, let's inspect this element. So span class price. Let's try this. So basically, response CSS span class price text and get. Yeah, so I just call this description because otherwise it's hard to see what is this price all about, basically. Okay, image URLs. So I'm not sure what's the categories actually as well. So probably more information is like the attributes, but the categories. So well, maybe this maybe he meant like this categories. So I'm just wondering, is this really what he means, kind of? So, item category, user list items. Well, let's try this. Copy response CSS user list class items. Let's try to extract all the available text and get all elements. So just to see what is available there. Okay. So, well, probably I can now just use the list comprehension technique here to filter this slightly a bit. So I would say like text get, replace new line with a nothing, and strip, and for text in this list, and also filter the empty elements, so list filter none. Category, so I guess we don't need this home, so let's try to start from the first element and up to, so it's strip the very first and the very last element, because the first one would always be a home and the last is the name, which we just don't want to duplicate. So I guess these are the categories. So and in this case the attributes, I think this should be the attributes. It's incredibly difficult to understand what the client means by saying trivial words, so I guess these are the attributes. At least I can see nothing more to scrape here. Okay, so inspect. Oh, and it's a table. Okay, so table row. So is this option brand? Oh, okay, so data th, yeah. So we're gonna be making use of these guys now. So, and as far as he wants this in the CSV format, we can't allow ourselves to go for some sort of a nested data set. So I will try to keep them plain. So. Okay. So what we got here? Option. Okay. Oh, hold on a sec. They would be almost the same. So response CSS, and I guess this is the unique element. I guess table data tag and data th attribute equals to option and text get one. Okay, so now let's just copy this guys. Copy, paste. So what else do we have there? Brand, so buy. brand sold by or as far as this is the CSV, actually it's better to keep them from capitals. So country of manufacturer, and warranty. So one more. And I hope now we would obtain all this, how he calls them, attributes. Okay, option, brand, bake as sold by, not available. Okay, so sold by, something goes wrong there. Data th, sold, oh, sold by should go like this. Okay. Sold by Hammered, country Uzbekistan, return policy, express shipping, yes, country of manufacturer Pakistan, express shipping, yes, return policy 3 days, warranty not applicable. Perfect. So this is it basically. Now the very last thing to consider is actually we need this image URLs. I'm just wondering why he mentions the URLs in plural instead of kind of the single URL. And also here, remember he did kind of show the single URL. So okay, or it's the single URL. I can't see the multiple URLs, to be honest. Okay, so well, actually, yeah, this is exactly the URL. Yeah, cool. So, or okay, so no, it's kind of. I can't see the URL because it's not being loaded there, I guess. So, but still, here is the place for the image. Okay, let's try to pick up the selector from here, say. So image. Oh, so there might be like different. So this is this is the little picture and this is the big picture. Okay, so probably, well, as far as he wants the image URL, so we'll just try to scrape all of them. So div class Fotorama stage active. So I would be taking images from this div, I guess. Copy. So let's try like response CSS div class and all this stuff. Oh my god, so long. And okay, dot CSS and image and attribute of, oh no, it's image source, right? Attribute of source and get all. So let's see if we got some actually. We don't get any. This is a bit strange. So Oh, so the div class is too complicated. In the source, within the source code, it should be. Oh my god. Okay, let's try to search for images manually. So maybe I find some. So it doesn't seem to be the one. Nope. Slider banner. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. Footer. No, it's also not what we like. Okay. Thumbnail URL. Yeah, so unfortunately this seems to be like being okay, so being done dynamically. Okay, so probably we can grab this from here. Let me see. Okay, this is interesting. So product URL, image path. So actually it seems like the only image. And actually category name bacon ingredients. Also, you know, like I just realized that we could make use of this data set that is already available on the page. And yeah, here's the price. Seems like more precise. Quantity. Was there something regarding the quantity? Yeah, so I would probably make use of this data set as well. So we just need to get the script. So text. So is this script unique? It's not, unfortunately. So is this kind of stuff unique? Okay. So I guess this is unique, right? Okay. So okay. So here I would like to say like extract additional info. So let's call this JSON data. It would be equal to response dot find and script tag. And again, like I want to use the list comprehension technique here to say, let's say script dot get for script in this list if this string in script.get. Okay, and the very first object, so let's print our JSON data. Okay. What? Oh, I'm sorry. Response fine. Response CSS, obviously. Okay, so here's our script. Now let's try to parse this. So can I just simply say like JSON loads? I will try accept this later on, so to make sure. Okay, what you don't like? Oh, probably. So maybe I just want to strip this. Okay, so get this. Let's try to go a slightly different way. So. Oh, it's because we got the script inside. So script text. And now this should work. Okay, perfect. And so yeah, now we can just prettify this. So JSON dumps JSON data, indentation equals to 2 spaces, and now we can reference by, so JSON data indexed by the star. Okay, and now by this stuff, copy, save. Okay, so I would like to say, so filter JSON data, and JSON data would be equal to this part. So this like, okay, and now we can reference this JSON data by this sort of a selectors. So let's get rid of so maybe we could have append. So yeah, I would probably like to say, so append detailed price, exact price, and I would say features price plus equals, and so let's have this like separator plus JSON data and the key of price, and let's say let's see. Oh, it just, oh, hold on a sec. So let's see the entire data set. Okay, price. So yeah, I could have even say like exact price. Okay, this is nice. So what else to consider? So image URL. Image URL. So also price should be from the capital. Come on, key error price. Okay, so price is just fine. Description, product link will extract this, and the image URL. So let's try to check that out as well. Paste. Yeah, same one. Perfect. So now we got this image URL as well. Okay, and also we need to try accept this stuff. So hold on a sec, guys. I just want to print, so maybe we could have had some more interesting. So currency is also available. So yeah, we would append the currency as well. So here JSON price plus JSON data currency. So this is the first thing to consider, right? And let me just, okay, let's have them both for a while. Okay, so price and the currency is available. Okay, perfect. So what else? Availability. Availability is also an interesting option. So let's actually. Okay, so this description, product link. Availability, and this will be empty as well for now. So append availability. I hope I spelled this word correctly. So features availability equals to JSON data and availability. Oh my god, I did spell this wrong. So availability. Come on, this seems to be kind of wrong. Let me check this. Availability. So this is just wrong. But nothing to be done here. Okay. It's unfortunate when facing this like mistakes in the production sites. Okay, availability equals to 1. So what else? What might be interesting here? Special price. So we could have tried to actually have the special price if available. So price, it's not available here, but somewhere it might be available. So I would say special price and price special price. So features okay, special price is not available, but this is just fine. But why on earth this? Oh, that's because it's filtering special price. Not sure why the order is that like, but it doesn't matter really. Okay, so maybe because it's filtering the keys by default, I'm not sure. So special price. Okay, what else? What else interesting is available? Discount. We could have added the discount as well. Do we have the quantity? So this is the unit and the quantity. Yeah, I guess this is enough. So we already have the special price as well as price. Okay. So this discount quantity. So let's expand. Okay, discount, false quantity 3, description. Well, this seems to be like quite pretty nice. Okay, the categories just listed here. Well, this might be just fine as well. So yeah, it seems like this is it basically. So product link. I have no idea why the special price is duplicated. So hold on a sec. Maybe we have special price. Oh, that's because. Okay, now this should be fine. Okay, so price, special price, discount, quantity, description, availability, product link. We'll just extract this right in the moment. Yeah, it seems like it's pretty nice already. So okay guys, so from now on I would try to run this normal way. So first let's actually try to print our features. Also I would like to take this entire part and enclose this within the try except statement, because it might not be available on the way. Save. Now commenting out this. I'm commenting. Oh my god, what have I done? This. So we should get the only element. So also we don't need to reference the local copy anymore, and the product link bones.url. Okay, so okay, I hold my breath and try to run this and see if it works actually. Yeah, it seems like. So now we'll try the standard Scrapy functionality to define the output file, and if it doesn't work, sometimes it works, sometimes not. I didn't yet figure out why exactly it happens, but so I will just now try the standard Scrapy way of storing the output to CSV file, and if it doesn't work, I'll just do this manually. So custom settings, will provide the custom settings now, and there is the custom settings dictionary, which is the standard configuration dictionary of the Scrapy spider, the base spider we're inheriting from, and there is a feed format key that should be equal to CSV as far as we want to store this as a CSV, and feed URI this should be equal to let's call this hammered CSV save, and let's try this. So well, it did create the CSV file, but yeah, it's empty because we didn't yield anything. So here write out CSV, write features to CSV file, and simply say like yield features. This should work actually, and let's try to get rid of this. Okay. Okay, perfect. So yeah, we got this product name categories. So not everything is available. Hold on a second. What is this like? So I'm empty here. We did have the categories. I understand that it's kind of the only row at the moment, but there were actually categories. I'm not sure why you didn't manage to bring them. Oh, that's because it's the type of. Yeah, I got it. So I just need to convert this to the strings, and yeah. Okay, so all the rest seems to be working nicely. Yeah, perfect. Oh my god, what is this within the description? This is a bit strange. This is completely weird. So that's one of the reasons why I don't really like the standard Scrapy. Okay, but maybe this was like... Oh, the description might not be even available right over in here. So... Okay, just let me actually print this again. And here, as far as it doesn't want this list, so let's try to join by... what character to consider? Let's join this like... Yeah, so it's something wrong with the description right over in here, so let's have a look. Slightly strange, okay. It still doesn't want to make these categories. Okay, I have no idea why this happens. So maybe we can at least see this. Categories not available. You're kidding me, man. Well, we could extract the category from the category list. So I'm not sure why this doesn't work really. Yeah, as far as indexes are different, this doesn't make much sense. So I would probably just change this now. Oh my god, this disaster instead of a description, why? Why is this happening? Oh, okay, so at least the categories seem to be... Well, this is strange now. If I did kind of get rid of this... Oh, I see. Okay, so probably let's try to extract the category. Let's make it single. And let's try to extract the category from... it's gonna take too long. Okay. So we need to alter the description selector and the categories as well. So we have the category. The category is not available. You're kidding me, man? Why it's not available actually? Well, it might be different on some of the other product. But yeah, okay, so I guess it's like... Well, still strange. So why didn't it extract these categories? But the most strange thing is actually why it didn't actually extract the description. Well, the description oh my god, what the hell is this? Oh, so this is my data set. Okay. So do we have any description here? Oh, okay, we have this category name. Okay, perfect. So we got this category name at least. Okay, we'll make use of this. Okay, category name. So, well, let's try to fix the category name. So, band. So, features category equals to JSON data and category name dislike. And I'm really wondering why on earth it doesn't work with this kind of div class value. This is so weird. This is so weird. Why doesn't it work actually? I'm trying to get all the text. Well, let's try this. And recursively extract the textual data. Okay, I'm just wondering. This is so strange. Brilliancy. No description at all. This is so strange. Why this happens? Okay, but at least we got this category. Okay. Option, brand, sold by country. Okay. So everything but the description seems to be working nicely. And we don't have a description here. Okay, so we don't need to print this JSON data anymore. I'm wondering. Yeah, so category is now enabled, but not the description, fortunately. Okay. So. Oh, he takes. This is where he takes this. Item prop SKU. So yeah, it's just the wrong one. Product attribute description. Strange why it doesn't make use of this selector still. I'm just wondering. And as far as this is the unique one. Well, maybe let's try to specify them in particular. I don't know if this works. I have no idea. This should work. It doesn't. and again, like if I just ignore and get the value, so why he only gets the very first one? Why he doesn't get another one? Okay, let me just, so maybe this is already a different URL. Oh, it's probably, oh my god, this is a different URL and this one doesn't contain that. Oh, yeah. I just realized why this is happening, because this one doesn't contain any description in particular at all. So we can probably try to go for that -1. No, it's better to, yeah, no description. So let's keep this like, let's keep this product, this one, copy, and actually this, and again recursively find, and also let's join this by empty string. Okay, so it won't be getting any description from this particular one, but we can try to crawl through all the available links. Also, just I'm not sure regarding the crawl and delay policies, so I could have run this with a full-blown split, but let's specify actually concurrent requests per domain and equals to 1, and download delay equals to 1, just to respect the crawling policies of this side, if any, actually. So, and also, so I don't need this one anymore, and parse links, and get rid of this break statement. So let's try to crawl through all the available products and see how the data set would be supposed to look like. Okay, so we don't need to print this anymore. Okay. Okay. Well, I guess this is enough for the testing purposes, so I just want to see this in the LibreOffice to make sure it looks like reasonable. So, well, I have no idea about this new line characters, so, but still product name, category, option, brand, sold, country, manufacturer, express shipping. Okay, so somewhere, oh, within the description, yeah, so within the description I would like to strip, yeah, just try to strip the new line. So if I see this, just want to see how it looks like. Okay, so try to replace the new line and strip. Okay, so description. Now it should be much better. Okay. Okay, you know what, guys, I just I wanna hold my breath. Well, I can get banned after this, but I just don't have that much time to wait. So let me try to crawl instantly. Okay. And yeah, now it seems to be much better. So okay. Okay, my wife is telling me that we're gonna have dinner soon. Okay, so product name, yeah, now it's much better. So we have some descriptions, no new line involved there. availability. So 1. Okay. And we got the product link as well. Well, this is nice. Okay, guys. So the very last thing to consider is actually try to handle this infinite scroll or pagination. So it's gonna infinite scroll from the user perspective, but we can make use of the pagination as well. So now let me just alter this code slightly a bit. So yeah, I don't know, we're not gonna be breaking after. I just want to not avoid making requests at this moment, and here try to crawl next pages or kind of infinite scroll. So again, like it's infinite scroll from the user perspective, but from the server perspective, just the bare next pages. So we would be appending to our base URL just the parameter of a page. So well, I guess we can create the current page counter. So current page would be equal to 1. Save. So here try accept. Yeah, would be we could have bring the exception just during the debugging purposes, or okay, so exception. Okay, and here, so just we'll save some typos here or something like that during the debugging process, just while I'm writing some code. Okay, so we need to try to append. So yeah, it should be working. So as far as we're not crawling through different links, we cannot update, we cannot reset this current page counter, right? So we can simply say like self current page plus equals 1. So now it should be 2. So increment current page counter, and so generate next page URL, and this would be so next page. It would be equal to self.base URL plus and page equals plus self. I guess we need to stringify this self current page, and let's print the next page. Okay. Okay, let's just try to see if it works somehow. Okay, so we got this our next page, but before crawling that, so well, okay, we will crawl this anyway, right? So so what options are available for us to distinguish between the very last page and available pages? So here we're extracting the product URL, so we can keep track of the product URLs. Okay, let's try create this so we can append, say so append product URL to the list and self and append, and let's try this product URL. And I'm just wondering, so this case would be appending only those URLs that are not unique, kind of that like. So we can actually append duplicates. So I'm just wondering if we say like if product URL not in self. I'm not sure if it works, to be honest. So here I just want to try to print self product URL. So I'm just wondering, so it should have printed all we've crawled through. Okay. And if let's try it manually, try to add let's make it same. So this time it should be appended only once, I guess. This should work. Okay, but where exactly are we supposed to break out of here? Oh, probably. Nope. Okay, maybe we just should have returned otherwise. So here let's actually crawl next page and yield response.follow and URL would be equal to next page, right? And headers, self headers, and callback would be the same, self.parseLinks. Okay. Save. Okay, let's try it here like else return. So as far as it faces the very first duplication of the links, it just returns, so that means that we've crawled through all the pages available. And we also need to test this, so here I would like to print some debug info. So let's say print like page out of we don't know how many, so let's say crawling page and the current page. So I suppose that in this case you should have returned on the page number 2. Okay, let's check this. Let's just check this. So crawl through ingredients and okay, hold on a sec. Any exceptions? Okay, and already at page number 2, you did obtain the duplication, I guess. Well, it seems like to be the exact functionality, the exact behavior I was looking for. Okay, I still need to test this. So with other links. So okay, page 2. Okay, so let's try to test this with a somewhat a different. Okay, so pick up this category. Okay, I have no idea how many pages might be available here, but still. No, it's completely wrong because this page has more than one page for sure. Definitely more than one page. So yeah, my pagination crawling logic really sucks in this case, and I'm just wondering how on earth can I make it better actually. If I only could try to find like the number of total elements, I don't know. Could have used a fixed range of pages to crawl, but in that case it might not be that efficient. Well, okay, so maybe first I'll actually try to get rid of this return, and so I don't want this stuff anymore. So I would just try to crawl through pages infinitely, and I don't know, maybe it would just break automatically. So it's not a problem to crawl through these pages, but it's kind of unclear, so he would be doing this, I guess, forever. So I still need to find how exactly I should have break this. Okay, so let's actually also try to let's try to crawl through many pages with actually extracting some data. So and then I will think, I don't know. Okay. Okay, so it seems like we did crawl through some of that. Okay, so page 7, and still we're getting something here. Some data again. Okay, if I just stop here and have a look at the data set. Oh my god, what is this? And I'm wondering why the new lines are not getting stripped. And the data is still kind of new here. Okay, let's try to open this. So, what I want to say, that the good news here, that the infinite page crawling works pretty nicely without any issues, but I need to invent some sort of logic regarding when exactly to stop crawling that, because it seems like I can't specify whatever page and it still would be returning with the valid responses to me. And okay, but here, oh my god, this is it. So what's wrong with the data set? This is very strange, like this description, so I can see like it's not why is this, why does this contain the new lines? Well, it's not the best ever problem actually, still. So all the rest seems to be just pretty nice. Okay. Price is extracted quite pretty nicely as well. Okay. Well, so the first thing, I'm really wondering where these new lines are coming from. It's the description, but so maybe just it consists of some separate oh, so right over in here, right? Okay. Okay, I just had a dinner and feeling much better now. So the reason for getting this horrible spaces in the table is probably because this sort of a list has some new lines inside. So in order to avoid that, I would like to use the list comprehension technique the following way. So and I would say text get replace and strip. Okay, and also let's try to filter. So the empty elements, and then join all this stuff back. So let me just get rid of this guy and this one, and try to start this again. And if it works, then we'll be thinking on how to limit the pagination crawling there. Oh my god, it still has this, like, how is this possible? Okay. Okay, this is never gonna end. Okay, so I just thought that this should work. So let's print features description, yeah. Or maybe even the entire set. Okay, one more time. I'm really wondering why this is happening. Okay, so as far as we got this, okay, well, we got that, so break. Let's find the descriptions all available. Okay. Or maybe let's try to find a particular one for more than 30 years. Let's try this one. Oh, it also had this carriage return. Okay. So, well, let's try to get rid of carriage returns as well. I had no idea there were some carriage returns. Oh my god, it's gonna be hurricane soon, I guess. Okay. So, let's try again. Okay, now it's absolutely fantastic. So, it still tries to crawl through the pages, but for some reason, okay, hold on a sec, I'm just wondering, maybe this is the exact, okay, so it's not being appended anymore, right? It's not being appended anymore. Okay. And what is this yielding at the moment? It's not yielding anything, right? So, okay. We did stop actually. At page number 4, right? So let's check this out. Okay, so page number 4. Page equals to 4. Okay, and page equals to 5. Okay, and page equals to 6. Is this gonna be the same now? No, it's not. Which is strange. Page number 7. Oh, maybe just didn't yet. Wasn't yet in time to return the response particular. Okay, so page 7, page 8, this already, they are the same. Okay, so I'm just wondering, is the very last product is the one we gonna have here in particular? Oh, so the order is not that much, so I won't see this really. Okay, but still, like, seems like, okay, let's go back to page number 5. Is this still gonna be the same, or it's about like a 6 pages available? So how on earth am I supposed to distinguish this 6 page from infinite number of pages? So this was page number 5. Yeah, so it's 6 pages. So page number 6 was the very final one. So I'm just wondering, okay, how can I? So yeah, before I go in there, I just want to check this one more time. So now I need to figure out how I can distinguish those pages, and yeah. My god, why is this so slow? Okay, yeah, so you scraped all the items and then it's gonna not, it stopped basically. This is a bit strange because it's only 33, so I'm just wondering how many we got, how many card links, product URLs. So this is slightly strange. Products. Oh, so that probably I just stopped too early because, yeah. Okay, so I just stopped too early. So he didn't even manage to scrape products from the first page. Okay. Okay. Okay, so another idea. So let's try to scrape this total pages. But again, so if we had a 40, okay, so we got a 40 there, right? and not one. Okay, this is it, so maybe we have some total pages right on this, right over in here, I guess. So let's check this out as well. So I'm just wondering that there should be some total pages. Items, page items. Item index next. I didn't see that. And the page. Whoa. What is this? Whoa. You can't see all this stuff in the user interface. So I have kind of 40 pages at the moment. Okay. Interesting. Something that regards total pages. Total savings is good, but not what I need. Okay, pagination. Well, this is really strange. I've never seen sites like this. It's weird. It's really weird. Oh, okay, so we have this. Okay, page number 2, page number 5. So here they are. Here they are. Okay, perfect. So now we can debug this. I will use the scrape shell to get the maximum number of. Okay, scrape shell. Yeah, guys. Now seems like I found a way how to do this. This is not shown for some reason, but this is available within the source code. So strong class page. Okay. And list item. Okay, so this list, this user list. Okay. So is this the unique one? Okay, user list. Okay, so first I want to fetch this kind of link. Copy. Well, I'm wondering, is this available in the first version? Okay, let's try response CSS user list and class What? Two of them? Where is the second one? Well, it doesn't matter actually. Okay, so okay, extract all the list items. Okay. Okay, so let's try to extract the text recursively. Let's try to get all. Okay, let's now try to filter this slightly a bit. So text get replace new line by nothing for text in response. And strip also. Okay, now I want to filter the non-elements. What? Come on. Oh man, no. Oh, I just forgot this. I forgot to put a comma. Oh my god. Yes, should have start again. So okay. Just need to store the selector somewhere. Okay, copy, fetch, and okay, again, so list, filter, none, comma, and this like. Okay, and now we need to say also if all this text and dot is digit. Okay, and now we got them both times. Okay, so that doesn't matter really that much. So, and now we can use the max. Okay, 5. Okay, this is the selector to find the number of total pages, so I just copy this and we go into the scroll next pages. So another try accept, so total pages would be equal to this, and and accept total pages would be equal to 1, and in this case self. No, we don't need that. Okay, so now we can do this stuff only if self current page is less equals than total pages. okay, and in this case we need to crawl through the next page. So okay, delete this, delete, and now it should have, so don't scrape anymore. Now this should have drop after the page number 5, and just to make it happen kind of faster, I would like to actually avoid, just for a while, I would like to avoid making any requests recursively, so just to, oh my god, what? Int and string. Okay, so we need also to stringify this, so we need to say actually int total pages. Okay, page 2, page 4, page 5, and then we break. Perfect. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Okay, so we don't need this total products length here anymore. Save. So from now on we can already kind of crawl through every product recursively, and yeah, this should work. So okay, so just delete this guy, delete, and I will now try to run this again. So now it would be scraping all the data from this noodle sauces instant food. I'm trying save response. Okay, Devin, and I'll answer you just after finishing this video. Sorry, man. Okay, so we got this. Okay. Okay. Just wondering, did we actually crawl through all the pages? Kind of too little data here, I guess. Oh, maybe we just break in after the very first, or hold on a sec, I have no idea, like, okay, so again, delete this, delete, I don't want to print anything, right? Okay, and so do I have any break statements here? I don't. Strange. So the pagination crawling thing seems to be working just perfectly nice, but I have no idea why I don't see any. So maybe there is kind of last products. I have no idea. So I just want to visually see how many it would have hit the product URLs. So it's quite a pretty lot. Again, quite pretty lot here. Quite pretty lot here. So it's really lots of URLs, but did it actually success crawling through all of them? Page 5. why only 41 product from all the 5 pages? I have no idea. This is really strange. So does it fail to download some? I'm just wondering. So the pagination logic seems to be working nicely, but why? Why it actually fails to? Okay, parse product. Oh, I guess I see what's happening. So maybe if he can't okay guys, I understand. So maybe we just can't. Hold on a second, this still should work. Okay, and what else? So it was parsing card and actually yielding the result not really that much, that many times. It's only 44 times. So it's like it goes page number 3. So I have no idea. So are there any additional? So okay, we don't need this stuff anymore, right? Seems like it's just skipping some sort of request here. I'm not sure why exactly this is happening. Okay, you know what, guys? I would try to. I just try to manually write this. To CSV as well. Okay, let's try do it quickly. Then, yeah, let's actually try to print these features. No, not this like. But without specifying an indentation. So I'm just trying to figure that out, if this is the matter of a scraped data lakes, or some different reason. Oh my god. Oh, we need to append, sorry. So one more time. Still the same, so it's not a data lake, so it's just not crawling through. I'm just really wondering, like, So it seems like the parse product fires only 40 times. And I remember that the length of those product links was 40, but that was supposed to be for the only page. Okay, so let me try to calculate that manually. Well, I would obviously... So how do I know when it ends? The first page and 1, 2, 3. So okay, multiplied by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me just go. So okay, let me just trying to. Yeah, I will now try to calculate that a different way. So nope. Stop. Oh man. So just update this page. Oh, it might have been uploaded just last data, but I have no idea at all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14. Okay, 14 multiplied by 3. So it's actually 13 rows multiplied by 3 and plus 1. Yeah, it's exactly 40. So it seems like it is scraping only the first like it is scraping only the first. Okay, hold on a sec. I can also see the very last one. Okay, so the link. Okay. So the page. Oh, this URL is doesn't regard the page, so it's only the product URL. Okay, so well, at least it does kind of seem that even though it seems to crawl through the multiple pages, okay, he might just not. Yeah, that response might have a different selectors, I guess. Okay, we'll just find this out. So okay, delete product. No, we don't need this anymore. So yeah, one more thing. So let's say right over in here. So we don't need this. So right over in here, yeah, probably this selector is fine only for the first page and it doesn't work for the rest of pages. That is my assumption basically. So can we just try to print so we say if page equals, we'll say 2 in response URL, so it's the second page. Let's write with open page 2 HTML and write. I'm just wondering, response text. I'm just wondering, so maybe there is some kind of different selectors. So let's try again. Okay, this is very strange, so okay, let's print the response URL. I'm just really wondering, this is getting really tricky. Oh, it's page, it's not P. Okay, this makes sense perfectly. Page. Okay, page 2. So now this should have saved the page number 2, and then I will try to figure out the selectors. Okay, so now we got this page number 2. Okay, let's try to open this page number 2 in the browser. Let's try to close all the rest. And do you really mean like the links here are different? So item, product item, list, element, class, item, product item. Okay. Same selector. I'm just wondering why it's not working. Okay, now the trick. So now I'm trying to figure out if the this list product list URLs are available somewhere. Okay, so we got this product list link starting with plain whole olives. This one. Okay. Why the product links are the same all the time? Well, at least it's clear like why it's not, so it's just filtering the duplicated requests, I guess. So the second one again, Montegreen plain whole lives. So it's all the same every time for every single page. It's the same every time. This is really strange. Why does he extract this exactly the same? Okay, so this is the page number 2. Okay, let's go again there. Like, oh my god, I'm worried. Okay, so we got this olives. Okay. Okay. And let's go to... My god, it's not the peach, it's P. What have I done there? Oh no. What have I made this peach here, not peach. It should be a P instead. Oh my god. Oh man. Yeah. It's amazing. How could I done this? So yeah, we don't need this anymore. So now this should work entirely. So don't need. So it was scrolling through literally the same page and was filtering the duplicated request. Yeah. So just the wrong string query parameter P instead of the page. So just get rid of this one, delete, and I hope that now this should work. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Yeah, now it seems to be crawling through really kind of different product URL links every time, because yeah, now it's the string query parameter is equal to P instead of the page, and now it seems to be working pretty nicely. Yeah, be crawling page number 5 and the very last one. Okay, so and let's have a look. So now what we have, man, you kidding me? Why do we have still this 41? This is impossible. Oh, come on, you kidding me? Okay, so we got this range of products. Okay. Okay, so the very first product was chili sauce. Okay. So hold on a sec. Why P2? It's wrong. It's not P2, it's P equals 2. Man, what am I doing? Oh my god. Where is this? No, it's not here. Oh man, equals. Oh. Oh man. Please tell me this time this would be more than 40. Please tell me this. Thank God this is more than 40 now, and it's growing. Oh my God, I can't believe this is happening. Okay, finally. Oh yeah, that's because I'm just pretty tired already. You know, like, just forgot to put that little equal sign so the URL was malformed, and we were obtaining literally the same data every time crawling through every time making a new request. So it was literally the same response in return. Well, now it seems to be crawling really through different product URLs. So from now on, I guess, yeah, we could have make. So I will test with a couple more. With a couple more URLs here. Reload. Oh my God. sorry guys, hold on a sec. Okay, so how many? 230 products. Well, now this is way better. Okay, so let me just try to have a look at this stuff. With it, no, not the text editor, sorry, LibreOffice. Okay, and then I will try to scrape data from another URL, and this should work literally the same. So dessert, no, banking ingredients here. He was pointing out this link in particular. Okay. Okay. So are you there actually? Come on. Oh, finally. So yeah, now we have really lots of data. So yeah, let's inspect our data set. So it seems like we got all the reasonable information here, like yeah, product name, category, option, brand, sold by, manufacturer, expiry and return policy, warranty, image URL, price, both kind of the one presented on the side and the one from the dataset from the script tag, and quantity, discount, special price if available, description. Perfect, this is just perfect, and the product link URL. Okay, so now that I really like this, so the very last thing left here before we go, so so I just call this many pages. Okay, just to distinguish this file, and now let's try to consider this link. Okay, copy, and I'm going back home, and yeah, actually I already have this, so I just save and try to run again. So I hope to crawl only through the one page. Okay, we did crawl through the one page. Perfect. So Hammer CSV, reload, and only 31 elements here. This is just absolutely fantastic from now on. So sorry, I forgot the guy's name. Let me quickly check that out. Okay, probably yeah, I got a ton of emails. So Hamza Heron, I guess. Let me just, this is another Hamza Heron. If you're still watching this, so let me now explain. So you could have pick up so I just can say like paste whatever Hammered category URL below. It would then crawl through all the pages, or you might consider this as the infinite scroll available. Okay, so this is just perfect, and just so okay, and I would probably, so here I say in example try this one. Okay. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so this is just perfect. So now we can put whatever page here from this kind of site right over in here, and regardless of how many pages or infinite scroll, doesn't matter how many data available there's so it will crawl through all the pages available and scrape all the data and store this in the CSV format, just due to the requisites of Hamza Heron. Well, okay guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this kind of real world charity project, I guess. I can hardly believe I would get paid for this, because you know, like normally I would charge this like project no less than $100, because it involves quite complicated logic in order to crawl the pagination. So yes, no less than $100. But obviously, if I would get paid at least something for this already would have been fine. So yeah, I hope you learned something interesting out of watching this tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. Learn web scraping, practice as much as possible, and eventually you would end up becoming a professional freelancer specializing in web scraping, if you really want to consider that approach as your career path. So this is it from my side. I wish you all the best, guys. Until the next time, and take care.